Hey everyone, it's Karen here from Be Green Bath and Body, and today I'm going to talk to you about our shower gel and show you how it foams. So I have with me our citrus shower gel. Shower gel is made with all natural oils from coconut and jojoba that have been saponified. We have lavender, we have citrus, and then we have an unscented version. The citrus one they have here is scented with natural citrus essential oils. So what we recommend to get the best foam from the shower gel is to use a mesh bath puff. Anything similar to this would be useful. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to wet this just a little bit, and then you can apply about a quarter size amount directly to the poof. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour in a little bit like this, not too much, and then I'm going to scrunch it like so you can see that it's foaming now, and then you're going to go ahead and use that to clean. And then you can scrunch again if you're running out of suds. Do some more cleaning. You can scrunch again, and that should be good. Some people might need to add a second squirt if they have a bigger body. It's up to you if you like to have more foam, but for me I find that one squirt actually does it. You can see the more that you scrunch this, the more air that you get and the more suds that you get. Thanks for shopping Be Green Bath and Body.